Hey, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video topic is really interesting. In this video I am gonna show how to turn the article into a video in a few minutes. Let's start the video. First, see some samples videos. Your video actually looks like this. Let's start the video. If you are new to my channel, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. First of all, you have to visit one website called Videoio. After entering the website, click on the text to video. Now select a template. I select the impactful template. Now search for an article that you want to turn into a video. You can use Google to find an article or use your own article. I found this article about travel, and I am gonna use this article to make the video. Copy article URL and paste on in video. Add your URL here section, then click on fetch. Now your article is turned into bullet points. Now click on every important point you want in the video, then click on go to storyboard. Now your video is ready. All you have to do is change images and videos from the storyboard. It's really easy to do. If need video, clicks on the video. If need image, clicks on the image. All done, click on download and share to render the whole video. To buy my gadget and gears, then check out my kit. In my kit, you will find the coolest gadgets, my PC parts, the phone I use, and more stuff. Hurry up to check out now. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel.